Good day. So today we're going to make carrot fries. What? You haven't heard of them? Let me clue you in on a special treat here. So basically what we're doing is taking clean peeled carrots, slicing them up into little strips like fries, and seasoning them and putting them in the air fryer, or you can put them in the oven. For today's demonstration, we'll be heavily focused on the air fryer. But I will, make some points about the oven. So, go ahead and get started. So, what I have here are my sliced up carrots. As far as seasoning, so you want to make sure that your carrot fries are wet enough to take the seasoning. So you can either, if you're doing oil free, you can just make sure that they're either soak them a little in some broth, or have some, run some water on them, make sure that they're wet enough. For me, I have used a little bit of oil. I use avocado oil. You can use olive oil, whatever oil that you use to typically air fry things. This, I'm using maybe about a tablespoon of oil, and for seasoning, if you want them to be playing off of the natural sweetness of the carrots, you can use cinnamon or ginger or both. If you want to go savory, you can use thyme and salt, Italian seasoning. There's some salt-free blends as well. Chipotle powder, cayenne. You can also use nutritional yeast if you want kind of a cheesy like flavor. This is vegan as well, and mix it in with whatever. For today, I am using Trader Joe's 21 seasoning salute, and a little bit of extra cayenne, and I added a little bit of salt because this is a salt-free blend. So I added just a little bit, and stirred it up, and it's now ready for the air fryer. So I had preheated my air fryer for a few minutes. You may or may not need to do the same for your air fryer, but the main point is you want to make sure that you're not overfilling your air fryer basket. You'll want to make sure that you get even cooking. So I am setting my air fryer for 375 for 16 minutes. So I'm going to toss these in here. And then if you are using, if you're doing this in an oven, you'll want to put them on a cookie sheet or in a pan, and follow the previous steps. But you will cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes on 400 degrees. So you'll want to, either way, you'll want to check on these carrot fries every 5 minutes or so to make sure that they're not burning. You can flip them and get even cooking. So we'll check back here in a few minutes, and we'll see what we got. Right, so we have some air fried carrot fries. So as you can see, hopefully you can kind of see that. Not too bad. You can serve your carrot fries however you would normally have regular French fries. So you can dip them or eat them plain, however you do. But enjoy.